You girls are in the way.
Huh?
You'll have to move.
We have very important work to do.
Yeah, can't you see we're trying to work here?
Now get out of the way. Golly.
What's the rush? Don't survive a spear through the heart.
Put the gun away, Bellamy.
Why don't you do something about it?
Jasper screamed when they moved him. If the spear struck his heart, he'd have died instantly. Doesn't mean we have time to waste.
As soon as you take this wristband off. Grounders?
Bellamy, gun!
Now she sees you.
Who's hungry?
Cut it!
Where's the Dragon Warrior?
How do you know you're not looking at her?
You think I'm a fool? I know you're not the Dragon Warrior. None of you! I heard how he fell out of the sky on a ball of fire.
We're gonna go practice some skills. How does that sound? Yeah, let's go. Alright, all you say is Charmander, so I understand then. Come on, let's go. Why do some animals just not understand what Pokemon say? Like this. Alrighty. Yellow bunny rabbit. Oh yeah, I need to see if you can. Oh yeah, since I'm kind of a ding dong, people like to call me. They call me the. Actually, they just call me by Cuddles. So yeah. Anyways, I need to see if you can swim. Charmander, Charmander, Charmander. Alrighty, I don't know what you said, but here you go. Charmander, what are you doing? Come on, you gotta embrace the fear. You know what? I'm just gonna scratch this little mother. Ow! Ow! Oh my god! Ow! Charmander! Bad Charmander. You know what you get for scratching me? You get the timeout corner. Now get to the timeout corner. Get it! Can't touch this. Go to it now! Go to the corner! Right here! Get right. Charmander! No, oh no, you don't. You know what? Screw it. You're not in timeout corner anymore. Let's see. Alright, you're getting inside this Pokeball. Wait. Darn, I forgot all my Pokeballs. You know what? Screw it. What if we